Right now, there's a national debate about whether schools should teach about race, and then there's the so-called like critical race theory, and I put that in scare quotes because it's a very disingenuous way of talking about critical race theory. But there's this national debate about whether schools should teach about race. And in the book, I show that students are interested in race. They talk about race, even if the lesson the teacher is providing doesn't really have to do about race. So instead of having that debate about whether schools should teach about race or not, I think that we should recognize that students are interested, and even though teachers may not be explicitly teaching about race, schools teach about race all the time, intentionally or not. So the better debate to have is not whether schools should teach about race or not. The better debate is how do we prepare teachers in order to talk with students about race and to advance students' racial understanding. Students are really interested in learning about our society, and a big aspect of our society is that it's racialized. So they do have a lot of questions about how that works in their lives and in how um, um, what they see in our society. And schools right now are not doing a good job of supporting teachers in having students learn about what they are experiencing or what they're observing.